Hey everyone, welcome to IIT and Education channel. Today we shall continue chapter plants. We shall look into the parts of a plant. So what are all the parts of a plant? Yes, it's leaf, right? Flower, then fruit, stem, yes, seeds too, and then roots, right? So these roots will be under the ground, right? So this is called as root system, okay? And all these other parts will come under the shoot system. So whatever parts of the plant that are above the ground, that will come under the shoot system, and whatever parts that are beneath under the ground, then all those will come under root system. So what will be under the ground? Will be root, okay? So as the roots are under the ground, and mostly those are the only things that stay under the ground, so we say that it's a root system, okay? So now you came to know about the shoot system and root system, right? Yes, yeah, you have to be louder, right? How can I hear otherwise? Okay, so shoot system and root system. You got everything right? Leaf, flower, stem, fruit, and seeds too. Here I didn't mention about the seeds, but seeds also will come under the shoot system. Right? Did it sit in your brain? Okay, then let's go further. Okay? Next is types of plants. So what are the types of plants? There will be so many types of plants. Okay? But for now, we will be happy with the following types of plants that I will be mentioning now. Okay? So when you go to some park or some other place where you can find so many trees, so many plants, have you ever wondered like some trees will grow so tall and some other plants will be so short, right? Why is this difference? This difference, okay, is because of some characters of the particular plant. So now we shall look into all these, okay? So what is this? Trees. What are trees? Trees are big plants with a tall single trunk. So they are big plants. You will be seeing this coconut tree and mango tree, right? They will be tall and they will have a single trunk. Okay, you will see that this is very thick, right? So this trunk, those are called as trees. What are the examples? Apple trees, oak trees, coconut tree. And next is shrubs. Shrubs are shorter plants with many woody stems. They are bushy and often used for decoration. So it means to say that they are shorter, okay, and they will have woody stem. This is the stem, you know, right? See, the stem will be like this, and this is the roots, okay, and this stem we are talking of, okay. This is woody. It means that when you see some furniture, you know, you will be seeing your sofas and doors, you will find it woody, right? So in the same manner, the stems of these shrubs will also be woody, okay, and these are shorter as compared to trees. So what are the examples? Roses and hibiscus. You just ask your mother or father and just get into the balcony and see if you have rose plant there. Okay, you can see that the stem. Ask your parents to show the stem once. It will be woody. Okay, it won't be green. It will be like brownish type. Okay, so that is about the shrubs. Next is herb. What is herb? Small plants with soft green stems that don't get woody. It means that that won't be woody, that will be soft, and these are smaller than shrubs, okay, and it will have what? Green stem. The stem will not be woody as in like shrubs and trees. Here it will be green in color and you feel like you can easily break it, okay. If you can break or not, that's another thing, but when you see that, you can feel that okay, I can break it. Okay, so small plants with soft green stems that don't get woody. What are the examples? Basil means tulsi and mint. Okay, so I'll give you one assignment. Okay, whenever you see some trees or plants, okay, just tell to your mama or papa that this is tree, this is shrub, this is herb. Okay, it's so important to learn it. Okay, if you do that, then this will sit in your brain forever, and in the higher grades also you can easily tackle this answer. Okay, so whenever you see some trees or plants, you should tell this to your parents what it is. Okay, is it tree, is it a shrub, is it a herb? Okay, and you comment it down. Okay, I'll feel happy that you kids are doing it. Okay, next is creeper. What are creepers? Creepers are the plants with weak stems that grow along the ground. So now you have seen trees, right? Trees have, yes, very strong stem, and it is called what? Yes, trunk, right. And then comes shrubs. Okay, shrubs also have woody stem, right? So woody stem means you feel like it is strong, right? Yes, it is strong. Okay, it is stronger than herbs, but it's not as strong as trees. Okay, next is herb. How about a herb? Herb will have green stem, and you will feel it to be a bit weaker than that of shrub. Okay, next comes creepers. These creepers will have very weak stems, very weak. You feel like, oh, it's easy to break, and even when you see that, you'll think that it's like a wire. Where is the stem? Okay, but it is the stem. Okay, that is the magic of the nature. Okay, this weak stem plants too can hold big fruits like pumpkin, muskmelon, and all that. How is it possible? It is because they grow along the ground. They just grow on the ground. Okay, they'll say, okay, I have weak stems, it's fine. What happens if I can't stand erect? Okay, I will creep along the ground and I'll give you nice fruits and vegetables. Okay, that is about the creepers. And next, what about climbers? What are climbers? Climbers will also have long and weak stems that cannot stand erect on their own. They can't stand erect. As I have mentioned, those stems are so weak that without any support, it cannot stand. Okay, so what we have to do for that? We have to give it some support, like some stick. We have to plant a stick beside it so that it will take the help of the stick, and it will grow like this. Okay, it will wrap around the stick, or it will wrap around the wall. Okay, you just have to allow it to cling to something. Okay, then what are the examples of that? Grapevines, money plant, cucumber. You remember that fox and grape story, right? You will see there, like, grapes will be hanging from the top and the fox will be trying to reach it. So that's called climbers. Okay, now we are done with what? We are done with, yes, types of plants. As you can see, this is about this difference is all around, it's running around the stem mostly, right? So there are some other types of plants too. All that you can learn in the higher grades. Okay, I will be teaching you again that too. Don't worry about it. Okay, you learn it and don't forget about the assignment I have mentioned, and update me in the comments that I have done that. I did my assignment. Okay, next, uses of plants. Oh, you all know about the uses of plants, right? For the food, we use it for food, right? For food like cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, nuts, spices, oils, etc. For the food we use plants, you all know that, right? What are the cereals? Yes, rice, wheat, right? Pulses, yes, tur dal, urad dal, all these are pulses. Okay, you know fruits, right? What are the fruits? Yes, yes, I can hear so many kids saying about the fruits, right? Apple, banana, everything, every fruit we get from a tree or plant. Okay, next vegetables. What are all the vegetables? Yes, I need not mention, every day you will be having vegetables, right? Carrot, tomato, and all that. And how about the nuts? Yes, tell me. Yeah, almonds. Okay, and how about the spices like clove, cardamom? Okay, and how about the oils? Oils will be like, how do you get oils? When we crush the peanuts, groundnuts, okay, or sesame seeds, okay, we get oils. Okay, this is about the food. And next, medicines. Oh, are you like shocked to hear how can plant be used as medicine? Yes, you know, more many plants, and in the olden days everyone used to use something or the other of plant to cure their diseases. Okay, now you use so many medicines, but in the olden days everyone used to depend only on plants. So that's been carried on, and we can say that tulsi, mint, and many other plants will be used for as a medicine. Okay, so how about the household items? See, wood. You can see wood everywhere. See, just turn around your head, everywhere there is wood, right from the door, your what do you call, chair, sofa, right? Everything is made of wood. So where do you get the wood from? Yes, of course, it's from plants. Okay, next is paper. Where do you get the paper from? Don't think that it comes from somewhere. No, it comes from plants, right? So I know that you kids are so fond of drawing and all that, but please don't waste the papers. Okay, you draw something neat and nice. Okay, but just don't waste the paper. Use minimal space. Okay, and do whatever you want to draw in a perfect manner. Just don't scribble on the page and throw it. Okay, because papers come from plants, and as I have mentioned, you have to save the plants, right? And even the rubber comes from plants. Okay, these are about the uses of plants. And I just want to mention, see, you don't know, right, that we even in some plants we even eat roots, and in some plants we even eat flowers. Don't think, wow, what is this, will we eat flowers? Oh no, we eat roots? You are scared, right? Yes, we will be eating. Okay, that's what, only in some plants. Like, see, carrot is a root, beetroot is a root. And how about the flowers? Cauliflower is a flower, broccoli is a flower. And how about the leaves? Leaves, you know, right? You always eat the spinach and cabbage, right? And next, stem. Sugarcane is a stem. Potato is a stem. Oh, how about the seeds? Rice, clove, all these are seeds. How about the nuts? We eat walnut, almond. You know the fruits, apple, papaya, right? So this is about the uses of plants. Okay, all done. Okay, done with the chapter plants. So what did I ask you to do? You have to update me. You should mention in the comments that you did your assignment, right? What is the assignment? Whenever you see any plants, you have to categorize it based on the stem. See, check the plant. If it has the big stem, okay, it's called trunk, right? Then it will be called as tree. If it has woody stem, then it is called smaller than tree, and it has woody stem, then it is called what? Shrub. If it has green stem, then green stem and small too, then what is it? Herb, right. If it has very weak stem like falling, then it is called, yes, climber. If this weak stem is on the ground, then it is creeper. Okay, don't forget about it. Okay, and you also have learnt about the uses of plants. And what next? Yeah, what are the different, like where we eat roots, okay, where we eat stem, all these were mentioned in the previous slide. Okay, learn all these. Okay, bye bye, see you. We will see with the other chapter in the next video. Okay.